Hello everyone, I hope you're all excited. This is the launch of Mission CAT 2021 Verbal Ability. This is going to be a complete batch on verbal ability and reading comprehension because our mission is CAT 2021 and let's crack it guys. तो ये कोर्स अगर आप एक बार अटेंड कर लोगे, ये बैच अगर आप एक बार अटेंड कर लोगे, then guys verbal ability and reading comprehension will not be a problem for you and I guarantee that. If you're one of those who's wondering ki where do we, vocabulary kahan se kare, grammar ke questions, where do we get the questions from, para jumbles, what is the strategy, what is the approach, what are the techniques, guys, all of those worries, all of those problems, all of those doubts will be put to rest. Mission CAT 2021 is here to accomplish that. New year mission hai hamara, resolution hai hamara to crack CAT 2021. So guys, I will be taking you through the complete portions of verbal ability and reading comprehension. All you have to do guys, in addition to attending the classes, is also join the Telegram channel unacademy_Ritu Dudoria for all the guidance, mentorship, PDFs, timings, updates, links, all the help that you can get, and a beautiful VRC family. So all you have to do is join the Telegram channel unacademy_Ritu Dudoria. The course is structured in a way in which in 3 months duration guys, basic se leke advanced tak, the entire syllabus of VARC, from basic, strategy, approach, technique, rules, guidance, right to advanced practice exercises, previous year questions. The timings are 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Very convenient time slot guys for all of you. I want all of you to attend the sessions daily live. These are live sessions which are going to be conducted. Best mentorship and guidance guys, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. पहले देखते हैं guys कि what is the syllabus, what is going to be covered in this course. So in this course I will be taking you through all the areas of VARC. Starting guys, हम लोग critical reasoning भी देखेंगे. Why? Because critical reasoning अगर आप देखो CAT 2020 guys, why CAT 2020? आप 17 से देखो CAT 17, 18, 19, 20, all of these years guys, the major focus, major emphasis है critical reasoning पे. Because guys, CAT का paper, if you've analyzed it, it's become more reasoning based rather than testing you on the pure, let's say the pure concepts of language, जैसे vocabulary, grammar. Yes, these are important, these are fundamental, these are crucial, but guys reasoning बहुत ज़्यादा apply होने लग गई है. For example, you would have seen the paper guys, आपको दिखेगा कि assumption, inference, conclusion, strengthening, weakening, flaw, parallel reasoning, paradox, boldface, in सब areas पे with 16 guys, 16 से लेके 18 questions are all based on critical reasoning. So once your critical reasoning is strong, your reading comprehension will be strong. So we'll be looking at all of these areas, what goes into them, how is an assumption different from an inference, how is an inference different from a conclusion, how do you strengthen, how do you weaken, how these questions can be framed, what are the unique questions which have come in the previous years, flaws कैसे किस type के होते हैं, how do you find a flaw in reasoning. All of this will be covered in this course. In addition to that guys, we'll also be focusing on critical reasoning for OMETs, for all the other management entrance examinations, चाहे वो SNAP हो, ZAT हो, CAT के अलावा NMAT हो, IFT हो. All of these examinations guys test you on critical reasoning. So whether it's courses of action, whether it's decision making, cause and effect, FIJs, facts, inference and judgment, all of these areas, we will be focusing on all of these areas. So this course not only preps you for CAT 2021, it also preps you for very crucial OMETs, other management entrance tests or examinations. Reading comprehension, the Achilles heel. Guys, your Achilles heel will become your trump card. Reading comprehension, how to ace reading comprehension, how to select passages, what should be your method of reading, how do you minimize the time and maximize your accuracy, how do you eliminate answer options. अरे दो ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं यार, पर वो दो ऑप्शन में हमेशा अटक जाता हूं मैं या अटक जाती हूं मैं. Guys, this is no longer going to be a statement that you're going to say. All genre guys, all types of passages, be it abstract passages, philosophical passages, sociological passages, historical passages, humanities पे based हो, science पे based हो, economics पे based हो, guys, whatever comes your way in the examination, you will be able to smoothly attempt them. So guys, we'll also focus on a lot of unique question types which have been asked in the previous years. Verbal reasoning complete area guys, para jumbles है ना. अब आरसी के बाद गाइज ये एरिया है पैरा जम्बल्स, स्टूडेंट डिवोट द मैक्सिमम टाइम practicing para jumbles and odd one out, how to get them right. Every para jumble looks different. But guys, there is a strategy, there is an approach, there is a methodology, and I will be taking you through that. So para jumbles ho, odd one out ke patterns ho, para summary ho, essence of the text. How is essence of the text different from author's position? How do we find out the central idea of the passage? All of these questions will be answered in the classes, and you'll be taken through all of this in detail in the batch Mission CAT 2021 Verbal Ability. Vocabulary ho guys, chahe grammar ho, vocabulary made easy and grammar made easy, the two series that I've done on YouTube has been a game changer when it comes to vocabulary and grammar, and it is my guarantee guys. कौन देता है? I'm giving you the guarantee कि जो rules हम लोग करने वाले हैं, जो words हम लोग करने वाले हैं, इसके अलावा गाइस आपको ज्यादा प्रिपरेशन की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. You just have to try out practice exercises. Then every single rule will be covered, and not in a very bookish or a pedantic manner. है ना, हम लोग करने वाले हैं in a very fun, in a very simple manner. चाहे वो basic areas हो, चाहे वो basic parts of speech हो, whether the application areas like parallelism, subject verb agreement, all of these areas will be covered. So vocabulary and grammar will be made easy. Trust me on that. Guys, so ये सारा, this is your entire syllabus, and it will be covered in a very very efficient and guys, बहुत ही cost effective तो बोलो ही मत, because all of these are free classes guys, daily live classes. We'll discuss the pattern, we'll discuss the approach, we'll discuss the techniques, we'll discuss the rules, lots of practice sets, the best curated practice sets. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry कि ठीक है इससे 2 sets उठाएंगे, वहां से एक set उठाएंगे, वहां से ये कर लेंगे, अरे ये PDF दे दो, ये 99 PDF दे दो, ये 100 वाला PDF दे दो. No, you don't have to do that. You just have to rely on these sessions, the PDFs, the exercises, the quizzes, previous year questions, self-study practice tests, all of this guys. Mission CAT 2021, the verbal ability batch, ये सब कुछ cover हो जाएगा. पर हाँ guys, आपको बस याद रखना पड़ेगा, ये जो हमारे daily live sessions होंगे, they will be at 5 PM. Okay, 5 PM Monday to Saturday, complete syllabus completion. तो एक भी session miss नहीं करना है हमको, ठीक है. पर अगर आप मिस कर भी दिए एक आध सेशन, तो गाइस रिकॉर्डिंग भी है, आप वो भी देख सकते हो, कितना कन्वीनियंट है. So I want all of you to be a part of this guys. Connect with me on unacademy_Ritu Dudhoria. Join the course, press the like, share and subscribe button. But guys, ये तो एक एवेन्यू है लर्निंग का, YouTube, Unacademy CAT. इसके अलावा guys हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है. These are free live special classes on the Unacademy learning app. Schedule guys आपको एडवांस में मिल जाएगा. All you have to do is attend the free live special classes on Unacademy learning app every day guys at 7 PM. ठीक है, every day at 7 PM. तो मिस मत करना. 5 PM को हमारे YouTube sessions है, 7 PM को हमारे special classes है. And guys, for an in-depth practice, for complete guidance, for complete mentorship, for the best test series that you can get, all you have to do is apply the code Ritu MBA. कितना simple है, मेरा नाम है और आपका गोल है Ritu MBA to get 10% off on your Plus subscription to unlock the free plan. Guys, these are the rates. Complete course, 12 months, 24 months, prepping you for all the examinations. CAT, NMAT, ZAT, SNAP, GDPI, TISNET, IIFT, Maharashtra CET, CMAT, जो भी, whatever is your goal. All you have to do is to take the subscription using the code RITUMBA and you will get 10% off. Free live classes which you can watch recorded later, complete and the best practice exercises, complete guidance. All you have to do is to take the Plus subscription. Ask a doubt feature guys, lots of features are being rolled out. Iconic batch hai, the Iconic CAT 2021 where you will be mentored by IIM alumni. All you have to do is use the code RITUMBA to get 10% off. Unacademy Champions League है guys, January 3rd से शुरू हो रहा है. Lots of amazing prizes to win, lots of scholarships up for grabs. Please make sure guys कि आप Unacademy learning app download करो, attend the batches, plus batches which have been launched. Use the code RITUMBA to get 10% off guys, and leave no stone unturned when it comes to your CAT 2021 preparation. So I will see you on YouTube, I will see you on special classes, I will see you on Plus classes. All you have to do is use the code RITUMBA and get 10% off. Date याद रखना guys, हमारी date है जनवरी 4 से मंडे से लेके रोज 5 बजे. Okay, 5 p.m. guys. Ritu MBA all the way. Let's crack it, everyone. So press the like, share, subscribe button. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.